Realme GT8 Standard Edition. Let's unboxing. The Standard Edition of the GT8 is also a collaboration with Ricoh, a testament to its commitment. Open it. Inside there's a silicone protective case. The lens module is also round, but I'm not sure if it's removable as it originally had a round design. Let's take a look at the phone. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is located here, and it seems to be designed that way. The entire lens module isn't removable as I can't see any screws. This one has screws, this one doesn't, but with the round design it looks exactly like the original. The GT8 also comes in white, which is very attractive. You can also see that it has a pure flat screen design without the raised plastic stand. Compared to the previous generation, the Realme GT7, this generation has upgraded from a plastic frame to a metal one, making it very attractive. As for the exterior, it's still a Ricoh collaboration and it also has a telephoto lens. This time it also has a 2K screen. The standard version of the Realme GT8 is also incredibly expensive. I put on the GT8 Pro's original case, and after installing it, I noticed that the entire lens module on the GT8 is slightly smaller. You can see the protrusion. Even with the GT8 case, it still fits perfectly, so it's not universal. However, the overall size of the case is exactly the same. Look, hey, what's this? It's called a periscope, and there's even a Ricoh co-branded logo. The standard version actually has a periscope telephoto lens and a Ricoh co-branding. That's quite impressive, it really stands out. It looks similar to the Realme GT8 Pro with the same 144Hz 2K screen on the front and even the Snapdragon 8 independent graphics chip R1. Is this still the standard version? Why does it look so flagship to me? The two mobile phones in the GT8 series are exactly the same unless the Pro version changes the lens.
From the front they have the same screen size, and from the side they also have a straight screen with a right angle frame design. On the top there are openings for infrared and upper speakers, and the bottom is exactly the same. However, if you look closely, you can find that from the lens position, the periscope telephoto lens of the Pro version is more obvious, and it has a 200 million logo, and there are flash and removable screws on both sides of the Pro. Apart from this, other aspects can be said to be exactly the same. The GT8's metal middle frame and the rear metal lens port are more textured. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen version of the processor, the 2K resolution screen, and the 7K large battery are a leapfrog upgrade compared to the previous generation.